Are they secretly stalking you? Aries, unlikely. Feeling ka lang. Taurus, yes, they are secretly stalking you. Gemini, listen to your intuition. If you feel that they are stalking you, then most likely follow your gut, yes. Leo, yes, they are stalking you. Cancer, no need to worry. Whether or not they are stalking you, most likely they are. Pero no need to worry. Okay. Virgo, no, they're not stalking you. Gusto mo ba? Libra, remain positive. I think siguro occasionally, yes, they are stalking you. Scorpio, there's something better. I think someone else is stalking you, not the person you have in your mind. Okay, Sagittarius, ang sabi dito is, don't stop. Just do what you have to do. Whether may nagsustalk sa'yo, just do your thing. Capricorn, no, they're not stalking you. Okay, Aquarius is, I think they will stalk you if you want them to, okay? If you communicate clearly. Parang you will attract them by being more articulate with what you feel. Okay? And Pisces, let go. I don't think they are. Nasagot ba ang inyong mga katanungan?